Ndewo. Okay, so now we're going to learn Igbo. So, Jisike. Let me just keep it up. Jisike. Beko beer. Let me please come. Beko beer. Naga. Nsweko. I am going to the kitchen. Maga. Nsweko. I am going to the kitchen. Okay, now we're going to learn some Igbo words. Means yes. Mba means no. Okay, that's the end. Cool day.
Dale, I have good news. The Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is opening soon, okay? And if you want to be the first to know, if you want to be among the first to know when it opens, you need to get on the wait list, okay? And if you don't know, the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is for you if you want to speak Igbo with your family, if you want to be able to teach your children, okay? So this is why I teach people in a small group, and by the end of the bootcamp, you'll be confident to have conversations with your family, and you'll be confident to teach your children, okay? So if you're not yet on the wait list is the place to be, so that you're among the first to know, and you also access every bonus accessible. Okay, so every bonus that's available. Okay, so there's a link below this video. Click the link, sign up, and you get notification once the bootcamp is open. Inala, ngwan kodi o na Igbo.